Imagine stepping into a luxurious hotel, enveloped by an exquisite aroma. Now, bring that feeling home with AirScent Hotel Diffuser Oil number 1014. Discover AirScent Hotel Diffuser Oil number 1014. This premium fragrance oil captures the sophisticated scent of a high-end retreat. It's designed to transform your living space into a haven of tranquility. Experience the invigorating blend of sharp lemon, zesty bergamot, and a refreshing sea breeze. This unique combination creates an uplifting and elegant atmosphere. Perfect for homeowners seeking a refined ambience. As the scent unfolds, delicate jasmine, water lily, and sweet melon emerge. These heart notes add a harmonious, seductive layer to the fragrance. The journey concludes with warm amber and lingering musk, leaving a lasting impression of pure elegance. This carefully crafted blend ensures a relaxing and inviting environment. It's more than just a scent, it's an experience for your senses. AirScent oils are IFRA compliant, non-GMO, and vegan. They are free from synthetic colors, parabens, and phthalates. Plus, they are pet-friendly, ensuring a safe and gentle aromatic experience for everyone. Use it in your ultrasonic or waterless diffusers, reed diffusers, or humidifiers. You can even use it for crafting your own candles or soaps. Elevate your home's ambience today. Click the link in our description to discover AirScent Hotel Diffuser Oil and transform your space into a luxurious escape.